In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a button in Figma, the ultimate guide. If you're into design or UI development, having a solid grasp on button creation can truly enhance your projects. Let's jump right in and walk through this process step by step. To kick things off, you'll want to navigate to Figma, which is our collaborative interface design tool of choice. If you're not familiar with Figma, it's a powerful, intuitive tool for creating designs collaboratively, especially useful for interface and UX design. Once at the homepage, you'll want to log in. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's quick and straightforward, and once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Figma home. Now, from the Figma home, you should see your projects and files. Go ahead and click on a file you want to work on. If you're starting from scratch, you might want to open a new file to have a clean slate, but if you're adding a button to an existing design, simply choose the relevant file. This brings up your workspace where all the magic happens. Next, look for the action button, usually found on the left panel when you have a design file open. This button is your gateway to various functionalities within Figma. Click on it to bring up the action menu. Here you'll be looking for template options, so type in interactive buttons into the search bar. This quick search focuses on finding predefined presets that can be customized, saving you valuable design time. Once you've located interactive buttons in the search results, you'll want to click on the Smart Button Generator. This tool is specifically made to automate and facilitate button creation, providing a range of customizable button templates to choose from. When you click on it, it will present you with options to tailor buttons to your design needs. Finally, it's time to bring your button to life by clicking on Generate Button. This action utilizes the information you've input and the options you've selected to create a button that fits seamlessly within your design. The Generate Button tool allows you to tweak and refine the appearance and behavior of your button, ensuring it aligns with your vision and project requirements. There you have it, you've successfully navigated through Figma to create a custom button using the Smart Button Generator. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to play around with different styles and settings available within Figma to hone your design skills even further. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials to aid you in your design journey.